Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie today, and we're going to be tasting this O-15 mango. It's one of Zill's varieties, and
can't figure out the smell.
it's got a mango smell, but I mean, not a strong smell. Anyway, I don't know this one, so we're going to give it a try. Pretty juicy. Very little fiber.
And there's a watery mango.
Another watery one, huh? Let's see.
It's juicy.
It is juicy. It definitely has some resinous flavor to it.
I've heard other people say this is really resinous, and all I taste is very floral mango. I never taste the resin in it.
This has got resin in it. That's
But I don't
like
taste
the
it. My taste
primary
buds.
flavor I'm getting out of it. Resin isn't always bad. Too much resin tastes like you're drinking turpentine.
Near the skin, there's more.
Let's see if there's more near the skin. About the same, I think, to me.
You're not getting it either, are you?
It's like coconut with like
Yeah.
aftertaste of pine.
And it's like floral. Citrus floral with a creamy coconut finish, piney finish.
Definitely coconut level to it, and it's later. The coconut comes a little later. To me, up front, it's a fairly, it's on the high end of resin before it gets
How funny.
objectionable.
That piece was resiny.
Yeah.
The other two weren't.
But it's good. I mean, it's not a boring mango for sure. It's not overly sweet, but it does have a little bit of that kind of an artificially saccharine. A lot of them have been tasting that way to me lately. Maybe it's me. It could be me because they're all tasting.
I haven't gotten that.
Really? Okay, so maybe all these that I've been tasting an artificial sweetener flavor to is my palate is
Been ruined by
Ruined.
quarantine. I really like this mango.
almost a little bit of a grape type flavor in there, along with coconut and resin. It's very juicy. There's really very little to no fiber. I don't know that floral. To me, it's not floral. I mean, we're tasting the same thing. I'm calling it resin. She's calling it floral.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, because I taste resin flavor. I got a
Oh,
piece
you're
of
getting
resin.
it two separate
No,
things.
it's an initial like light orange blossom flavor. But no one else I know of tastes that in this mango. But that's what I get, and that's what makes me love this mango.
All right, this is a really good bite here. Orange blossom. I'll tell you what I can taste a little bit is honey.
Yeah. Orange blossom honey. I mean, that's
Maybe.
like the only place
Maybe.
I've ever tasted honey.
I guess you've never
Orange
actually
blossom.
gone out and eaten an orange
Right.
blossom, have you? Yeah, I can see that. A very,
If you drizzled a mango with orange blossom honey.
yeah,
A
I
good
can take.
mango.
We have bees ourselves, and we have our homegrown honey. It doesn't taste like store-bought honey, but this is kind of more like, a lot of times you'll get in a batch of honey and it's like super intense. It's like concentrated honey, and it's got apart from the sweetness, there's this other honey flavor, and this tastes a little bit like that. Yeah, I can see that. I can see
I
orange
love
blossom
that
honey.
about that
Um,
mango.
And I'm not getting, actually near the skin, I'm getting less resin, which is unusual. Or I'm getting used to it because I'm eating it later. Yeah, that's good. This is, and the more I'm eating, the more I'm liking this.
Peer pressure.
Mm-hmm. Well, most mangoes, the more you eat them, the better they get, because your mouth kind of learns what to expect, and this is, I keep tasting this. I've eaten it, but I keep tasting it on my lips.
Cut the rest of it out. That's good.
You want the seed?
Sure.
Whoever likes it the most gets to clean the seed. Yeah, that's good. I don't know. It's just a hard one to put your finger on, because it's got a lot of these kind of unusual mango flavors. But we all agree on the coconut and a little bit of resin, and then what? Yeah, I want to say honey, orange blossom honey flavor.
Very resinous near the seed.
More resin near the seed than the skin. Usually it's the other way around, but
sweet. I love this mango. I want
Okay.
a tree.
all right. So there you go. So Celeste says we need a tree. I'm not opposed. I like a different mango. I like a unique one. And I can definitely, that's a honey. It tastes like a good honey. So O-15, get one, try it out. I guess we're gonna have to plant one. So what would you?
9.5 or 10.
Wow, 9.5 or 10. I would have to go 8.5 to 9.
Same.
But I'd be willing to put in a tree and try one. We weren't even really sure if this was ripe or not. Actually, you thought it wasn't ripe.
You're correct.
She wanted to let it go a little bit longer, so a little
squeeze
bit firm. Oh, that's right. She can't even touch them because she's so allergic to the skin. Anyway, yeah, so that's a good one. That's O-15 from Zills. I don't think it has any other. Usually a little bit later they give them a little more of a fun name rather than just what plot they were in. But for now, it's O-15.
And it's gone, and it's so
It's gone.
sad.
Well, there's a couple of other mangoes that are out there that are named honey something that have a honey-like flavor to them, and maybe they're closely related to this. But yeah, that's
so good.
That's good. She's cleaned the seed. Seed's clean now, so.
I might cry.
She's gonna cry. Sorry, I don't have any more of those. Well, she knew she liked this one to begin with, and that was a good one. So. Yeah, let us know if you've tried O-15 or if you know where we can get a tree to put in the ground. Let us know. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up.